So let us see why medial incision is taken first while harvesting the anterolateral thigh flap. So as we all know, the anterolateral thigh flap is based on the descending branch of the lateral circumflex femoral artery. So it is mainly towards the medial aspect of the flap, and medial incision gives a rapid access to the perforators as well as the descending branch of the lateral circumflex femoral between the vastus lateralis and the rectus femoris. So the cutaneous perforators can be easily identified and safeguarded when we take a medial incision first. In case we don't identify a good perforator or the perforators are not satisfactory, the plan can be modified, and instead of anterolateral thigh flap, we can harvest the anteromedial thigh flap using the same incision. Or else we can use only the vastus lateralis muscle flap without sacrificing that incision.